Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Today we are here at the Ososik E-Shop and we're going to be continuing on with the track prep on the GR86. So I've already done the transmission and differential oil changes. I just didn't get it on film because there's tons of videos on YouTube about that already. But the main reason why we're here is because we're going to be dropping the oil pan today and we're going to be checking for RTV in the oil pickup tube. This video has been highly requested by you guys, so here it is. We're also going to be installing a GReddy oil pan baffle plate. So I'm going to get the skid plate down, get the oil drained, and we're going to get to work on this thing. Alright, so we got the skid plate off. You can see the OEM exhaust manifold here that needs to come down. But first we need to disconnect the O2 sensors up on top, and then we'll have access to the bolts for the oil pan. Okay, so we got the oil pan dropped already. And you guys can see all the silicone that's around the block here. And even one of the O-rings that's supposed to be inside of the oil pan, it's actually stuck on there because of all the silicone that's right here. Look at all that silicone that's on this oil pan. That is an insane amount. Alright, so we got out this fancy snap-on camera here so that we could take a peek inside of the oil pickup. See, we got the camera up there. Let's see what we got inside. So there it is. The dreaded RTV strikes again. So there is quite a bit amount of RTV inside of my oil pickup tube. Wow. Alright, we're gonna pull it all out and put it on a napkin and see exactly how much it really is. Alright, so here's all the silicone that was pulled out of the pickup tube, and I have a coin next to it just for size reference. That's actually quite a lot more than I've seen on other cars. So it's really good that we opened that thing up and got all this stuff out. So that's a lot. So here's the GReddy baffle plate that we're going to install on the car. So I'll leave a product link to this down below. I got this from Black Hawk, Japan. So to install this GReddy baffle plate, it's literally just one bolt, and it's the one that holds up the pickup tube right here. You take the bolt out and then you slide the baffle plate underneath that and then bolt it back up. Alright guys, so as you saw, we reinstalled the oil pan after putting the oil pan baffle on there, and as much as I didn't want to believe that I was also going to be a victim of the RTV issue, well, you guys saw firsthand, we did in fact have RTV in the oil pickup. So it's unfortunate, but you know, we got it all cleaned up, the car's all back together again, and now at least I'll have a little bit of peace of mind knowing that it's all been cleared up for now. So I want to give a big thanks to the Ososik E-Shop, everybody here who helped out, Eric, Angel, big shout out to Nick for always supporting the build and letting me come through and work on the car here. So I'll leave all the links to the shop below, you guys check them out. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.